Traders, FS Speculator here. Today is Friday, September 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I think it is likely the end of a wave 5. If it is the end of a wave 5, it will take out the low of wave 4. There is also the possibility that we're in a crescent to the last 5 waves up, and if that's the case, then it would make 3 waves down and pulse above for the continuation of the uptrend. Either scenario, I don't think it's too important to know yet because even if it's an ABC crescent, it's probably going to take many, many months to play out. Or if it's actually the end of a wave 5 and it takes out the low of wave 4, that's also going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I've been saying, I still think this first move down is either a wave A or a wave 1. Definitely not important to know the difference between a wave A and a wave 1 at this point in the pattern because the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is looking for sorts on sort of time frames until the wave A is proven to be over. Going down to the daily time frame, I'd still kind of look at this as a possible three-way pattern, so I'm still kind of wondering if it is going to make a big push up, possibly even today at the non-farm payroll. I think at some point like I said, this is either an A or 1. At some point we're going to have to go up and make either a wave B or a wave 2 before we make another really nice move to the downside for a wave C or a wave 3. And a wave B and a wave 2 is exactly the same trading strategy also, so it's not really important to know the difference between those either because it's exactly the same trading strategy for a wave B or a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely still trending down as you can see. Now today is non-farm payroll, so if we do get that nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, nice breaker structure, then from that point on, I would definitely start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see from that point on. If it doesn't do that, but instead it just keeps on going down, then really you should continue to be looking for shorts because all the higher time frames are in a downtrend. We should definitely be looking for shorts until we get that breaker structure. Nice confirmation that we have a solid turn in the market. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, non-farm payroll today. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, after that, after it makes a pullback, which potentially may not even happen today, maybe even next week, I would definitely be looking for longs at that point on for the continuation of this uptrend, either a wave B or a wave 2, like I explained on the higher time frames. On the other hand, if today's news just causes it to continue the downtrend, we should definitely be looking for shorts on these sort of time frames because every single higher time frame is in a downtrend. So if it does not break structure, but instead it makes another lower high, then actually continue to look for shorts. So yes, we have two possibilities. We know that if this happens, we know what to do. If this happens, we know what to do also. So really shouldn't be too many difficulties. So anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.